Welcome to my channel Gosia at Home Cooking. Today episode will be about the chicken. I will make the very simple chicken salad. Excellent salad for the sandwiches, and I hope you enjoy. For today's salad I need 6 boiling eggs, roast chicken breast, 3 pickles, mustard, black pepper, green parsley and salt for taste, and 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise. First I will chop chicken. And the roast chicken is chopped. Now I will chop eggs. Usually when I have leftover from dinner I make salads and everybody enjoy. Now I will chop eggs. Salad for my sandwiches. School sandwiches, perfect. The kids love it because they like chickens and like eggs. And this recipe is simple and healthy. I will chop pickles, and pickles I will chop just a little bit. When it's too watery I will drain pickles. The roast chicken was pretty spicy, so I need just a little bit black pepper, mustard, a little bit salt, mix everything, and mayo. It's a good idea to just try. I don't want to put too much mayo. It's nice consistency. It's a good try. Hot side. I love when it's a little bit green, so 1 teaspoon of green parsley. Chicken salad is done. If you like this video, make sure to give me thumb up. Please like, share, comment and subscribe for more recipe. I make new recipe once a week. Thank you so much for watching. Dziękuję bardzo and see you soon.